dear student, today we are going to study a new topic. No sooner than 12th standard, new topic, no sooner than. Let me clear what is the meaning of no sooner than. My dear, in English, hardly when, no sooner, as soon as have same meaning. I repeat, as soon as, hardly when, no sooner have same meaning. इन तीनों का मीनिंग सेम है. कौन से तीनों का? As soon as, no sooner, hardly when. Am I right? Then you might be wondering what is the meaning. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of no sooner than? What is the meaning of hardly when? What is the meaning of as soon as? I will clear. One action is about to finish. One action is about to finish. Another action take place. Is called as soon as, is called as no sooner, is called as hardly when. Should I repeat? हाँ. One action is about to finish. एक एक्शन होती ना होती, another action takes place, दूसरी एक्शन होती है साथ में immediately, उसके साथ लिंक में. That is called as soon as, that is called as no sooner, that is called as hardly when. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. जो सेमी के हमारे बच्चे हैं, they know this topic properly, but those who are CBSE or ICSE, they are unknown about this topic. That's why listen my dear, okay? So in this sentence we are using no sooner than. Which one? No sooner than. Correct? अब जब no sooner आपको यूज करने के लिए बोला जाता है, mostly sentence they are giving in as soon as form. Here in short as I write here as, but as means as soon as. And two actions are given. One is first action and second is link action. अब देखो, as food was served, खाना सर्व जैसे किए, we jump, हमने jump मारे. As we are invited, जैसे हमें invite किया गया, we are joyous, हम खुश हो गए. One action is about to finish, another action take place, is called as soon as, is called as no sooner, is called as hardly when. Next, as he come, जैसा वो आता है, we are glad, हम खुश हो गए. As he came, past tense, we were glad. जैसे वो आया, हम खुश हो गए. One action is about to finish, about to finish, about to finish. Another action take place, is called as soon as, no sooner, hardly when. अब इस सेंटेंस में हमें no sooner यूज करने का है तैयार? रेडी माय डियर? लेट्स स्टार्ट. सी, तो क्या करेंगे? पहले नो सूनर देन यूज करने का है. जो पहली एक्शन होती है उसे लगाने का नो सूनर. एज फूड वाज सर्व, जैसे खाना सर्व किया, वी जंप, हमने जंप मारे. पहली एक्शन कौन सी है? फूड सर्व किया. फिर एज सुनने जगह क्या लिखने का? नो सूनर. क्या लिखने का? नो सूनर. एज सुन एज और एज की जगह नो सूनर, नो सूनर, नो सूनर. नो सूनर के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या है? नो सूनर वॉज फूड सर्व्ड, बस. कॉमा की जगह देन वी जंप्ड. बोलो, एनी प्रॉब्लम? आई रिपीट, एज सुन जगह नो सूनर, नो सूनर के बाद कंपल्सरी हेल्पिंग वर्ब चाहिए, हेल्पिंग वर्ब चाहिए, हेल्पिंग वर्ब चाहिए. नो सूनर वॉज फूड सर्व्ड, कॉमा की जगह क्या चाहिए? देन. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नो चेंज, नो चेंज. इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट और एक बार चलो, एज सुनर जगह क्या लिखने का? नो सूनर. नो सूनर के बाद हमेशा क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है? आर. नो सूनर आर वी invited. No sooner are we invited, comma की जगह then we are joyous. Next sentence no change. I repeat, as की जगह no sooner. No sooner के बाद क्या चाहिए? Helping verb are. No sooner are we invited, comma की जगह then next sentence same. Any problem? Clear? Next. Once again, बोलो, as soon क्या लिखना चाहिए? No sooner. No sooner के बाद क्या चाहिए? Helping verb. अब इस सेंटेंस में am, is और was were नहीं है. No helping verb. What to do then? उसका टेंस देखना चाहिए। कम से आना तो क्या आना चाहिए, डज। पास्ट टेंस आए तो क्या लेना चाहिए, डिड। और फर्स्ट फॉर्म आए तो क्या लेना चाहिए, डू। नो सूनर डज क्यों, कम्स। जैसा रिचार्ज वैसा टॉक टाइम। नो सूनर डज ही कम, कॉमा की जगह देन वी आर ग्लैड। देन वी आर ग्लैड। आई रिपीट, एज सुन जगह नो सूनर। क्लियर। नो सूनर के बाद क्या चाहिए, हेल्पिंग वर्ब। यहां पे वॉज था, वॉज लिखे हमने। यहां पे आर था, हमने आर लिखे। Here no helping verb is there. Am, is, are, was were not there. That's why does. जैसा रिचार्ज वैसा टॉक टाइम। पास्ट टेंस रहा तो did. Does he, now does के कारण yes cancel come, कॉमा की जगह then we are glad. Interesting. Next. No sooner. सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस मैंने क्या लिया, did. Why? सेंटेंस पास्ट डिड ही। अब देखो केम में से डिड बाहर निकले तो केम का फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या रह गया, कम। नो सूनर डिड ही कम, व्हाई कम, पास्ट टेंस। नो सूनर डिड ही कम, कॉमा की जगह देन वी वर ग्लैड। देन वी वर ग्लैड। एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी प्रॉब्लम, इज क्लियर। नेक्स्ट वंस अगेन, एज सुन जगह नो सूनर, हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म रहने के कारण डू, पास्ट टेंस रहा तो डिड एंड यस फॉर्म रहा तो डज। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना, मेनी स्टूडेंट फॉरगेट हियर टू टेक डू, डिड, डज। डोंट फॉरगेट। नो सूनर डू दे कम, कॉमा की जगह देन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नो चेंज, वी आर ग्लैड। माय डियर, वंस अगेन I repeat, as in जगह no sooner, no sooner के बाद helping verb am, is, are, was, were and no tension नहीं है। yes फॉर्म रहा तो does, past tense रहा तो did and पहला फॉर्म रहा तो do। am, is, are, was, were there, no problem। if they are not there, then do, does, did according to condition। is it okay? now they ran away when the police came। अब यहाँ पे समझ गया, इसमें पहली एक्शन कौन सी है, पुलिस। When police came, when means as soon as, तो you should take this side. No sooner, first action क्या लगाने का, no sooner। Here as means first action, but यहाँ पे first action is that side, उधर लीजिए। No sooner sentence past tense, no sooner did police came नहीं, कम क्यों, पास्ट टेंस। केम के कारण डिड एंड डिड के कारण कम। ओके, नो सूनर डिड पुलिस कम देन दे, फर्स्ट एक्शन, सेकंड एक्शन देन दे रन अवे। इज इट ओके? वंस अगेन आई रिपीट, जनरली फर्स्ट एक्शन क्या लेने का, नो सूनर, बट हियर व्हाट हैपन, फर्स्ट एक्शन देखो ना, वो भाग गए जब पुलिस आ गई। पुलिस केम इज फर्स्ट एक्शन, this time it is that side, we should take here no sooner sentence past tense did police come, did come then they ran away। is it clear? next, as the sun rose the birds appeared। first action कौन सी है, sun rose। as की जगह क्या लेने का, no sooner। helping verb है क्या, no, there is no helping verb। sentence past tense, no sooner did the sun, रोज का फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्या आना चाहिए, राइज। नो सूनर डिड द सन राइज देन द बर्ड्स, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नो चेंज, देन द बर्ड्स अपीयर्ड। दिस इज द एंड ऑफ दिस टॉपिक। शुड आई रिपीट माय डियर? नाउ बट आई विल रिपीट इन इंग्लिश नाउ बिकॉज यू शुड बी हैबिचुअल टू नो और टू लर्न इन इंग्लिश। Earlier I explained in Hindi also, but now I will explain in English. Because after 12th, you have to be habitual to learn or to know or to understand in English. Is it okay? I repeat. Topic name, no sooner than. Is it okay? Two sentences are given. first action and link to second action. Generally, first action come with as soon as or as. Then how to use no sooner? Very simple. In place of as soon as, no sooner. In place of, in the beginning, for first action, no sooner. After no sooner, there should be helping verb. If am, is or was were there, no problem. If not there, do, did, does, according to condition. If sentence is past tense, did, like this. If sentence yes form, does, first form, do. Clear? Clear? Yes. Comma, then. Next sentence, no change, no change, no change. Is it clear? I will explain. As soon as, no sooner, helping verb was, food, serve, comma, then. Clear? Now, this time no Hindi. As soon as, no sooner, are helping verb, are we invited, comma, then. Clear? As soon as, no sooner, yes form, does, he come, comma, then. Next sentence, no change. As soon as, no sooner, sentence, past tense, did. Why? Past tense, helping verb is not there. As soon as, no sooner, first form, do, comma, then. Next sentence, no change. Now here, first action is that side. You should take this one. No sooner did the police come, comma, then they ran away. Last, no sooner sentence is past tense did, the words appeared. Clear? Okay? Thank you. Let's move to the next topic. Welcome back. Now the link topic is, in last video I taught you no sooner than. Do you remember? Now the link topic to no sooner than is hardly when. I told the meaning of hardly when, as soon as, no sooner. Three had the same meaning. Three has the same meaning. One action is about to finish. Another action take place, is called as no sooner, is called as hardly when, is called as soon as. एक action होती न होती, immediately another action take place, that is called as soon as, that is called no sooner, that is called hardly when. Is it clear? Up in this category, in this topic, we are using hardly when. No sooner and hardly when थोड़ा use थोड़ा different है. आपको याद है no sooner? In no sooner what did I teach? As soon as जगह no sooner. After no sooner, helping verb am, is or was were. If they are not available, do, did, does. In place of comma, then, and next sentence, no change. This is of no sooner. But hardly when, in hardly when, rules are somewhat changed. Somewhat changed. है तैयार? Good. Now listen. Now here in this all sentence, we have to use hardly when. Is it okay? Now listen, my dear. As the police came, they ran away. Police आए बराबर वो भाग गए. Link action. As the teacher entered, we stood up. जैसे teacher आ गए, we stood up. It's a common etiquette. As they declared the result, we started to dance. Result जैसे declare किया, we started to dance. As the sun rose, we set out. जैसे sun rose, we start our journey. As we saw the report card देखे बराबर, we were joyous. She started to cry when she saw the patient. इसमें पहली एक्शन थोड़ा चेंज हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या है? पहली एक्शन यहाँ पे थी, सेकंड एक्शन यहाँ पे. But here what happened? Here second action वो रोने लगी जैसे उसने पेशेंट देखा. है तैयार? Now we are using hardly when. Hardly when is very easy, my dear. Listen, how to use. Okay? Now, I'm visible. I'm visible. Yes. Please check the camera. Alright. Okay. As the police came, फिर क्या करने का my dear? As सुने जगह hardly when, hardly. याद करो no sooner में am is or देखो, am is or was were देखो, नहीं तो do did does लिखो. Here no. Hardly के बाद compulsory had चाहिए, had चाहिए, had चाहिए. Is was कुछ नहीं. Hardly के बाद compulsory had. Hardly had. The police. And my dear, आपको रूल मालूम है, हैड के बाद हमेशा पीपी आना चाहिए, पीपी आना चाहिए। कम केम कम, इट्स अ रूल, हैड प्लस पीपी। हैड के बाद हैड प्लस पीपी, कम केम कम। हार्डली हैड द पुलिस कम, कॉमा की जगह क्या लिखने का, व्हेन दे रैन अवे। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, नो चेंज नो चेंज नो चेंज। इज इट क्लियर? यस। नेक्स्ट वन, एज की जगह हार्डली। हार्डली के बाद हमेशा क्या चाहिए, हैड। हार्डली के बाद हैड कंपल्सरी, नो इज वॉज, इट्स अ रूल। हार्डली हैड द टीचर, हैड के बाद हैड प्लस पीपी, एंटर एंटर्ड एंटर्ड, कॉमा की जगह व्हेन वी स्टूड अप, फिनिश। Isn't it easier than no sooner? हाँ, no sooner में am, is, are, was देखो, नहीं तो do, did, does लिखो। Here no tension। Hardly के बाद had, once again as soon as जगह hardly, hardly के बाद कंपल्सरी क्या चाहिए, had। Hardly had they declared the result, बस had plus pp, कॉमा की जगह क्या आना चाहिए, when we started to dance। Next sentence, no change, no change। Is it okay? Next, as soon as जगह hardly, hardly के बाद हमेशा क्या चाहिए, had, compulsory। Hardly had the sun rise rose risen, pp form, risen, had plus pp, pp means past participle, past participle means with three form, when we set out। Any problem? Once again, as soon as जगह hardly, hardly के बाद हमेशा क्या चाहिए, had। Hardly had we see saw seen, had plus pp, seen the report card, कॉमा की जगह when we were joyous। इंटरेस्टिंग? एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो। हाँ, यहां पे समझ गया। इसमें पहले एक्शन कौन सी है, सी सॉ द पेशेंट, उसे लगाना चाहिए हार्डली। बोलो बड़ा, हार्डली, हार्डली हैड सी सीन द पेशेंट, हार्डली हैड सी सीन द पेशेंट, हैड प्लस पीपी, व्हेन शी स्टार्टेड टू क्राई, फिनिश फर्स्ट एक्शन। Don't worry, I will explain again. Topic name hardly when. We have to use hardly when. Is it okay? अब देखो, as the police came they ran away, as की जगह hardly, hardly plus had, hardly के बाद हमेशा had चाहिए, had compulsory। hardly had the police, had के बाद pp, come came come when they ran away। इतना याद रखो बड़ा, hardly के बाद had plus p। Once again, as the teacher entered, we stood up। Hardly had the teacher, had plus pp, entered, कॉमा की जगह when we stood up। Is it okay? Hardly had they declared the result, कॉमा की जगह when we started to dance। Clear? Once again, hardly had the sun, had plus pp, rise rose risen, कॉमा की जगह when we set out। Hardly had we see saw seen the report card, कॉमा की जगह when we were joyous। ठीक है? लास्ट, यहां पे क्या है, पहले एक्शन कौन सी, उसने पेशेंट देखा बाद में रोने लगी। फर्स्ट एक्शन, हार्डली हैड सी सीन द पेशेंट when she started to cry। Is it okay? Now total in English in 2 minutes। The topic name is hardly when। How to use hardly when? Very simple। In place of first action or as soon as hardly, after hardly had is must, hardly plus had, and after had pp or v3 form is must। In place of comma when, and remaining sentence no change। Is it clear? Hardly plus had plus v3 form, comma की जगह when। Is it okay? I hope that you must have understood these two linking topics. If any doubts are there, feel free to send me message. Am I right, my dear? So today I finished two topics, no sooner than and hardly when. Difference is clear. In no sooner than, am, is, are, or do, does, did. But in hardly, hardly plus had. Meaning are, all the meanings are same. The meaning of all these three sentences is same. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet in next lecture. Take care, my dear.